Okay, so we wanted to know if we were going to be using a survey, an observational study, or an experiment for each of these. So the first question was, a pharmaceutical company wants to test whether their medicine is effective. And if you think about it, a survey doesn't make sense. It's just sending out questions to someone, and if they haven't been taking the medicine, that doesn't make any sense, right? An observational study is more about um, the test not affecting the people, and if they're taking the medicine, it's going to affect them. So this would require an experiment because you really need a control group and an experimental group. Second one, press organization wants to randomly call citizens to gauge opinions. That is definitely a survey because we're asking questions of a random population. Research company wants to study smokers and non-smokers to determine whether 10 years of smoking affects lung capacity. So this is going to be people who have already been smoking or not smoking for 10 years, and they're checking in on that. So that is a study that doesn't affect people. And it's not just asking questions, it's actually looking at it. So this is an observational study. And then a national pet chain wants to know whether the customers will pay a small annual fee. They send them questionnaires. Well, a questionnaire is definitely a survey.